Today we are back in Nocatee in the West End neighborhood of the beautiful master plan community of Nocatee, Florida. I'm going to show you some beautiful townhomes that are being built by ICI Homes. They do have quick move-ins available. The prices on these are going to start in the upper 400,000s and go all the way up into the upper 500,000s. They do have 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath homes, and they do go as large as 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath homes as well. They are offering $30,000 flex cash right now, so you could potentially buy your rate down if you're financing down to 5.99%. You could also use it other ways. Perhaps if you're gonna pay cash, you could take $30,000 right off the top, right off the price, or you could do the same thing even if you're financing, if you didn't want to, use it any other way. I just wanted to mention that to you because it is some great incentives that they have going on right now. So you're going to want to stick around to the end because we're getting after it right now. We are going to get started first with this beautiful Castillo model. It's the middle unit. It's a really cool unit, and you're going to see why. I'm going to point out all the features. The garage is on the back of the townhome. Of course, this is the front of the townhome. Let's take a walk through right now. And before I forget, it's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,680 square feet. Let's go. So you have, again, beautiful plank hardy board siding all the way around. Very nice porch here where you can enjoy the Florida weather. Let's take a walk inside right now. Get you a good look at the entryway. Of course, that's a coat closet, and you don't need coats very often in Florida. That's my running joke. Hopefully I won't wear it out. Beautiful view of the first floor of the home. Beautiful sitting area here. And making a turn, here we have the kitchen. They have nice chef's ovens there, wall ovens. This will be your pantry. Nice deep sink. Nice stone countertops. You got tiled backsplash there. And this is a natural gas community, so you're going to have a gas cooktop as well as a tankless hot water heater. This will be the entry out into the garage. This is your powder room. And under the stairs storage. They have this area set up for dining. And let's take a look upstairs. This will be a mechanical closet for your air handler. Looking back at the stairway up. So we turn to the right. We're going to get right to it. Beautiful screened in top porch. Looking out onto your front yard, which you don't have to take care of because it's all included in your HOA. Nice area set up here for reading or study or meditation or whatever you want to do there. Here we have the primary bedroom with a very nice tray ceiling. They've added crown molding here. That's looking out onto your front porch. More windows. And this is a king-size bed with nightstands. Give you some idea of the space that you have here. Very nice large walk-in closet. Dual vanities. Very nice walk-in shower, and it is tiled to the ceiling with a niched wall. There's your water closet. I love these plants and ferns. All right, linen closet. This will be bedroom number 2. Here's your closet. And we are in bedroom number 3. There's bathroom number 2 with a tub shower combination. And of course, your upstairs laundry room. Before we get too far along, I'm going to talk about why I think these ICI townhomes here in the West End of Nocatee, Florida are such an incredible value. We're going to put up a map so you can see where Nocatee is in relation to the city of Jacksonville, Florida. And if you've never heard of Nocatee, I'm going to have to ask, where have you been all this time? Because they've been building in here for quite a while. This is actually the closest new construction that you can buy in Nocatee to the town center. This is only 13 minutes from Michler Landing, which is the ocean front of Ponte Vedra Beach. It's 5 minutes from the Nocatee Parkway, which is a high-speed 4-lane expressway which runs all the way from A1A to US 1. There is one traffic circle there, but there are no traffic lights in between. So you can literally move right along, if you will, to and from Nocatee, either to the beach or towards Jacksonville very easily. I'm gonna also put up some of the amenities that are featured here in Nocatee so you can get familiar with those, and then we're gonna continue the tour. Now we're going to take a walk through this beautiful Elkton end unit townhome by ICI Homes here in the West End of Nocatee, the beautiful master plan community here in Northeast Florida. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhome with a 2-car rear entry garage. Also, you'll note there are 12-foot ceilings on the 2nd floor. Let's go. Looking back from your front porch, look at all of that shiplap. Beautiful. Gorgeous windows, beautiful door there. Nice hardwood treads on the stairway and the rail. Here we have a nice sitting area, which is, we are on the 1st floor in crown molding. Really cool light fixture there. We do have 1 bedroom downstairs. So this will be bedroom number 1. Love the record albums, love the vinyl. Continuing on, we have bedroom number 2. This will be the entry out from the garage. This will be your mechanical closet for your air handler. Here you have a bathroom, number 1, with a tub shower combination. Of course, they did tile all the way up to the ceilings. Let's head upstairs. Real quick, I do not want to overlook a very important detail about these beautiful townhomes by ICI Homes here at the West End at the town center here in Nocatee, Florida. These are being sold maintenance free. Pretty much the reason why, you don't have any responsibility for yard maintenance, cutting your yard, no pressure washing, no painting. Even the roof is included with your HOA. You know, some builders, and I will encourage you to work with a real estate agent and have the real estate agent ask this question. Some builders will say it's the homeowner's responsibility from the ground up. Not so with ICI here at these West End townhomes. These are truly low maintenance townhomes. Really nice transom windows in this wall. And here we are, folks. 12-foot ceilings. Let's go out on the front of the home here from the second floor. This nice screened area. This end unit has a lot of windows. Of course, I think you'll notice that. I just want to make sure you do. We have the main living area. And that is a brick accent wall that they added. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Love this table. We have our kitchen. Of course, you've got your wall ovens here. Really nice large island. This is your pantry. Again, gas cooktop, tiled backsplash, and a vent hood all the way up. Here's your laundry area. Powder room. And the primary bedroom with a beautiful tray ceiling with crown molding, double crown molding. 3 large, beautiful windows, transom windows. It's got a barn door there. That's the driveway into the back of your home and the garage entry. Large walk-in primary closet. Dual vanities. This will be where your water closet is. And a really large walk-in shower, frameless. I hope you enjoyed today's video all about the West End townhomes built by ICI Homes here in the West End neighborhood of the master plan community of Nocatee in Northeast Florida. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly. We're going to put my phone number and my email address up on the screen. Reach out to me. I'll be the person that reaches back out to you. Please consider giving us a like or hitting that subscribe button so you can join the Living in Jacksonville, Florida tribe and continue to receive content from me. And whether you're moving now or in a year from now, no worries. I'm always happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. And until next time, I hope to see you around Jacks.